Tristaniel, say hi. Video today. No. Anyway, we're at Ray's house. I'm gonna go say hi to Ray. And then, Tristaniel, what are we doing today? I actually don't even really know. Just besides the money thingy.
Oh, not yet.
You think I should bring my camera in there and just hold it, like down there?
Yeah. Should ring his doorbell? Just text it in.
Before Plucky eats you. What do you say, Pop?
Hello, Ray.
What up, dog?
I have my camera. I love you.
Oh, what? Are you recording this?
Yeah. Oh, there's lotion for when you jack off. No! 2 puppies! No puppy! Anyway, here's all these pictures. And then, here's another pictures. His bed. His charger's right here. It's kind of cool.
Whoa, whoa, hey.
Hey! No, don't touch him!
He wasn't. No, 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 no.
His guitar picks right there, too. There's 2 puppies.
No, what do I do?
He's like, no, don't touch him. You're fluffy, not more. But yeah, so the library. This is this epic library. It's like not even a library. That looks like it's a building, like a super building. So, Ray.
What up?
And with Tristaniel.
What's up?
And fine, I'm sorry. This is Ray P365 over here. I don't know, because he does a 365 project, that's fine. You're Tristaniel also.
That's the whole
At
thing.
flickr.com. I'm sorry. We're in a library, you need to whisper. Okay. I'm gonna be talking to you. I know, right?
I wanna be with the like the crappy.
His mom. It's a long meeting, longer than any DECA thing I've ever been in. But
Get used to it. It's a key over there.
yeah. Oh well.
I work here.
You work at the library?
I would look at them.
Oh.
Wouldn't you?
No.
What?
I need to get a job. But yeah. Now, what are we doing? Gonna go eat or something?
We're gonna go to the fashion show to eat because Ray's hungry. Ray wants what do I want? Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
I want.
Right.
I just want food. Now we're at fashion show. I don't know what we're doing. Over here. There's over there. Alright, so we're gonna try and attempt to cross the street right now.
No, Matt, we have school tomorrow, right? You're gonna come pick me up tomorrow?
Yeah.
In the morning?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. And here we have Tristaniel buying the Hello Kitty backpack.
Matt. Ray, shut up.
Yes.
What? Did you see that shirt?
And we're gonna find the shirt.
This pump my champs.
Oh, let me show you this shirt. Where is it? It's over here. Look, tell me the shirt isn't epic.
Oh, that's sick! That's tight. I want it.
Today we are walking in this safari called Las Vegas. Not the Serengeti, but Las Vegas. So here's Matt.
Hi.
That was Matt. You know, Mvious, and I'm Ray Photography, or Ray P365. We're walking through. Yeah, that's a new name that Matt gave me, and I think I love it. I'm pretty sure I love it.
You're gonna be used to it.
I really am gonna get used to it. So right now we're gonna go get me glasses, and this is our video vlog for today. For like right now, we'll probably have like 8 more later on. Like,
It's like your premiere.
this is my premiere right now. Like usually I'm with like still media, you know, like photography and shit. But here I am with a flip camera. It's cool. But look at this Asian chick here.
It's like angelic. She's got us like straight up.
She's hella fucking cute, kinda. But like the problem, she might be a 50-foot fake out, cause like cute from afar, but far from cute. We'll see.
Yeah, I like that. That's a good one.
After we find out, we'll call it an end for this part of the vlog.
Yeah.
Let's just wait. Let's speed up. Let's speed up. Someone's wearing Miss Pac-Man's. Yeah, Matt?
Yeah. Yeah, what do you think?
I don't know. I didn't take a look. We'll see.
Yeah, you felt that too? I was like, cake done.
We're done.
Good. Just kidding. What color are you looking for?
This one. Hold on.
Okay, this is video vlog 3, I think, for today.
I'm gonna put it all together.
Yeah, he's gonna put it all together. You'll see. So, like, the sun is kind of setting, but, like, the bitch-ass motherfucking clouds are in the way. Matt's gonna do his little spiel on, like, Bear Girls and shit, so here you go, Matt.
Now you see, when you're trying to fucking walk down a hill, you need to be fucking sure that there's no fucking rocks in the way. So I'm gonna knock this fucking rock down. Hopefully I don't fucking bust my shit. Ah! Ah! Fuck the accent. Ah! Ah! I'm gonna fucking just disappear. I think you hit him. Fuck!
Matt!
Stop! I was surprised you fucking Hurt Locker. Remember Hurt Locker when the two guys up and he's like...
Hey, dude, you know what we need to do? We need to come here with a golf club.
Should?
He's not gonna come back up. I really don't think so.
Matt did try. Get the ninja.
So it's like 2 seconds after we just did the last video, and I dropped my Arizona and it started rolling down, and it gave us the idea to race Arizonas. So we're just gonna
push.
we're just gonna push this shit down. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! What the fuck are the chances?
No, they're finishing this. Oh, fuck that shit.
Matt, you know it looks like you're stalking prey, right?
Captain, kick a can. Okay. You think I can jump on that and make it?
No, you can try.
Whoa! You hear that?
Yeah.
Fucking ass, shut the fuck up! Shut up! Oh! Don't fucking touch him! No! 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 Stop it! Sit down! Sit down!
Dude, take the fence.
Dude! Fucking stop it!
It won't open.
Stop it! Sit down! Fucking!
You do like rear cat, you're like, what?
Get up one more time, I'm gonna fucking slap you! Sit down! Hey! Bite him! Rude!